When doing any waxing service on your clients, the preparation stage is as important, if not more important, than the waxing itself, as this stage is going to help to reduce the possibility of skin traumas occurring and also the risk of hair breakage. Let me take you through the quick Outback Organics two-step procedure to doing your skin preparation. So the first stage of the two-step process for cleansing the skin is to use the Outback Organics gel cleanser. The main ingredient this has is rosehip, which softens and hydrates. And as you'll see, my working hand is moving the hair backwards and forwards, and my left hand, my supporting hand, is stretching the skin so that I can really make sure the gel cleanser goes into the hair follicle. We want to soften and hydrate so we create a lovely spongy bouncy environment for the hair to be able to pull. The next stage in the two-step preparation process is the Outback Organics botanical oil, which we just spritz from a distance. Just 1 or 2 is enough. And then on the underarm, I like to work this into the skin because we want to enable it to absorb and create that additional softness and hydration in the follicle. This does give a level of protection to the skin from the wax, but essentially this is working down into the follicle. And what I'm doing now is tissuing off any of the excess so it doesn't interfere with our wax shrinking onto the hair. A very important part to note regarding the botanical oil is there are no mineral oils present. So ours has an organic argan oil base, which is a tiny molecule enabling the oil to absorb into the skin, effectively into the hair follicle to create that softness and hydration. As with all of the Outback Organics products, neither the gel cleanser or the botanical oil contains any synthetic fragrances, mineral oil, sulfates, or parabens. For any further information on any of our products, please visit our website.